going on, everybody? Anders here from Kifaru. Today we're going to be going over how to install or change your stays and your shape charge and checkpoint. So it's going to be a fairly similar process for both the checkpoint and the shape charge. On the inside of the bag, there will be, just below the chamber pocket, there's going to be a separate section where the frame chute will actually slide into. So we're going to open that up. You're going to take your frame sheet itself, and there's two sides to this. The side that has nothing on it, and then the side that has the stay guide. So we're going to start with this. So you're going to take your stays, and you're going to slide these so that way the stays, when they're in here, are contouring so the flat side is against your back. So might take a few tries here, but you just cup the frame sheet itself, take the stay, press it down, repeat the process for the other one. Hammer it down. Once you have that done, you're going to take the frame sheet and you're going to slide it in. You're not going to break it. So bend the corners down and slide it in here. Same with the top. And then you're going to take this tab go up over the top. It's a little tricky sometimes, but it will fit. Be sure to push the corners of the actual frame sheet into the top so it seats properly. So once you get your frame sheet seated into the bag, you're going to fold the top over the bottom to cover all the Velcro here. Make sure and push it down so the hook and loop seats, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call.